How to download, install and activate OxyMade plugin. To download the OxyMade plugin, first log into your OxyMade account. Click on Login. Enter your login credentials. And click on Login. Here you can find the latest version of the plugin. Now click on Download the framework. Select Save File and click OK. You can check the zip file is downloaded. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. Under Plugins option, click on Add New. Click on Upload Plugin. Click Browse and upload the downloaded file. Click on Install Now. Now click on Active Plugin. Under Oxygen Options, click on OxyMade. Here you need to enter your license key. Let's go back to the account dashboard. You can find your license key here. Now copy your entire key. Let's go back to the WordPress and paste it there. Click Save Changes. Now click on Activate License. Now we have successfully installed and activated OxyMade plugin. Thank you for watching.